the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. I remind you, Mrs. Witness, pwede ka magtanggi sa pagsagot ng maski anong tanong na makababaon sa iyo o makasangkot sa iyo sa isang krimen. Karapatan mo yan. Pero wala kang karapatan magsabi ng sinungaling. Pag nagsinungaling ka, lagot ka. Kaya kaiba yung ayaw kong magsagot dahil baka lalo akong mabaon dyan sa krimen na yan. At iba rin yung magsinungaling ka sa harap ng isang senador. Nagusumpa ka eh. The Supreme Court has ruled, quote, the right of the accused against self-incrimination is extended to respondent in administrative investigation. This is an administrative... What is so funny over there? I've just finished talking about respect for me as for my other senators. This is an institutional hearing.
I'm sorry.
You should be.